Hi, in this video we are going to see about paper jams and paper feed issues in HP OfficeJet 5200 all-in-one series printer. To clear a paper jam, solve paper jam issues, use HP online troubleshooting wizard. Instructions for clearing the jam in the printer or in the automatic document feeder and resolving issues with paper or paper feed. Important note is given on the screen. You can read it for more information and read general instruction in the help for clearing paper jams. Paper jam can occur in several locations inside the printer. So let's see. To clear an internal paper jam, you need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. So let's follow these steps. First, check the paper path inside the printer and open the cartridge access door as arrow is indicating in this image. After that, remove the paper path cover as arrow is indicating and in this image as you can see, and then remove the paper path cover and lift the duplexer cover up and remove jam paper as arrow is indicating. And after that, reinsert the paper path cover. Make sure it snaps into place like this and close the cartridge access door. And finally, touch OK on the control panel to continue the current job. Second step, if the problem is not resolved, check the print cartridge area inside the printer and to open the cartridge access door as arrow is indicating, you can open the cartridge access door. And after that, you can follow these steps B and C. Let's move to the next screen. And then close the cartridge access door and touch OK on the control panel to continue the current job. To get help from the print display, touch help from the home screen, touch how to videos and then touch clear paper jam issues. And third step, if the problem is still not resolved, then check the tray area and pull out the paper tray to extend it as arrow is indicating here in this image. And later you can follow these steps which is available on the screen B, C, and in C here you need to check the gap in the printer where the input tray was, and then carefully turn the printer up again and push the paper tray back in and touch OK on the control panel to continue the current job. To clear a paper jam in the document feeder, we need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. First, lift the cover of the document feeder and then gently pull the jam paper out of the ruler. As you can see in this image, here arrow is indicating the same. And finally, close the document feeder cover, pressing down firmly until it snaps into the place. Now let's see next topic of this video, which is clear a print carriage jam. To resolve a print carriage jam, use an HP online troubleshooting wizard. If something is blocking the print carriage or it does not meet easily, get step-by-step instructions. Some important note is available on the screen as you can see. You can read it for more information. And read general instruction in the help for clearing a print carriage jam. Remove any objects such as paper that are blocking the print carriage. Next topic of this video, which is learn how to avoid paper jams. To avoid and resolve paper jam issues, you can follow these guidelines. Here you can see on the screen there are many guidelines, so you can read it for more information. Now let's move to the last topic of this video, which is solve paper feed issues. So you need to first of all find out what kind of problem you have. If paper is not picking up from a tray, then you need to follow these guidelines. And if pages are screaming, then you need to follow these two guidelines. And third, multiple pages are being picked up, then you need to follow these steps. Thank you. That's all in this video. If you are facing any issue related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description for any help.